This is my 2019-2020 Specialized Crux. I'm going to talk you through my setup and what we're running on the bikes this year. We're running zip components. We've got zip seat post, zip bars, zip stem. I run 40 centimeter wide bars. We've got the service course bar tape. The group set we're running, I've got the SRAM Axis Force 1x12. I've got a 42 tooth up front. Sometimes we run 44s on faster courses, and then on the rear we've got a 10 to 33 cassette. I've got force cranks with a quarter power meter. I run one 70mm cranks. Force brakes, we've got one 40mm rotors, I think. For wheels, we've got these are my training wheels. They're Zip 302s, and we've got challenge tires on them. So these are for training. So we've got road tires, but usually we've got the whole array of different challenge tires from the Dunes, the Griffos, Limas. So yeah, I've got an S-Works Phenom saddle. Pedals we're running are Ritchie. I've got these black ones. Tom's got fancy chrome ones, and we've got our Wahoo mounts. We've got the choice between the Element and the Element Roam, so we're all pretty well set up there. I run a 54. Tom is on a 52, and Abby's on a 49, I think. So, and they've come in amazing bright banana to raspberry colorways this year.